Currently we are looking at the Bitcoin chart, and if I give you some sort of review, it has been showing a bearish move since a couple of hours, and we are still bearish. If you see, it has made a very nice harmonic pattern over here, and okay, so here we're getting some rejections from pivot points, and if you see closely, it has given a very nice bullish momentum from here, around 500 points momentum, and it is trying to create a what you call head and shoulder. Okay, so if I draw here, this should act as a strong resistance. Now let's see how it goes from here. It is trying to give a closing within this range where it had got rejected earlier, and if you see, it still got rejected. Okay. Why it got such a move of around 300 points from here? Because we had some bullish candles around that region. You can see a clear 100 points fall from this region, and it may continue up to this level of 104,500, 104,500. See, see, I don't have any live viewers. If you do watch it, just keep sharing with your friends. And definitely, I can give you the proper entries and exits as well. This is best time to enter the short position. Stop loss would be 105 100, and the targets are big. At least 1,000 to 1,500 points fall can be seen from here. Let's see. Okay, the other aspect to this is there in this region there was continuous fall, and a lot of people might have made bearish positions around this region that okay, this is holding a little green candle from here and will give a straight fall. To take the stop loss of all those people, it created a single candle. The momentum is still downside. It's not about break of structure or FEGs or anything else. It's simply the psychology. So what they're doing is they're targeting the psychology of a common trader. Okay, here if you see the fall was very decent, 500 points fall, and it was holding very small little green candle, another kind of what you call that. This was also pin bar kind of rejection candle from here, and it didn't take it up from here itself at 1628. What it did, it tried to give a breakdown of this particular pin bar. It gave a closing below this, and at that time when people might have thought that okay, this is a failover of this pin bar candle, might have entered a bearish candle, bearish positions from this region. But single candle and boom, more than 300 points in a single candle. It took a stop loss of so many people. You see, the volume was around 16 bitcoins. You can imagine the level they created this whole scenario in this region. So this was all about psychology. The target to the psychology. Okay, now that it has given a breakout of this particular region, we need a closing above this candle. Then you may expect a very sharp move to the upside. Maybe 105, 500 to 600 region. So this is how the psychology works. You see a rejection candle in this region. There was a decent move on the downside. You created a short position over here, considering that it may continue, but boom, all swept. This is kind of liquidity sweep. Now again, it is trying to give closing above this region, but it is failing to do so. If that is the case, okay, this is what happened. Now again, we see the continuation on the downside. So I have identified a few of the regions and the market where the price reacts very badly. So one, two, and three, triple top kind of thing has been created. Unable to create a closing above this region is a big failure for this. It till the time it doesn't give a closing above this range that I have marked, this is all bearish. So just wait closely, sharp, patiently. Okay, another attempt to give upside closing. Let's see. Hey guys, as you can see, the price is still being rejected. But if they have to trap the seller, they okay. We got a closing just above the rejections. Now you'll see a big candle or the upside continuation. The continuation on the upside that can be seen now. Enter as much as you can here. It's not a trap. This is how they're making the positions. Uh, the more the more the price bring more on the downside, they're making more positions to take it on the upside. So don't worry if you are still if you have just made entry, just hold the entry. You'll see a moment on the upside only now. Just forget about this candle. This is coming down just for retesting purpose. Retesting a couple of levels where they have already made few bullish positions, or the sellers might have made the seller positions. That is where it will react the most. Either of the two shall win. Either this would be the seller who will be dominating now, or it would be the buyer. And as you can see from those this region that I had elaborated earlier, it has given closing below this, but still because it is holding above the pivots, I'm expecting it to continue the upside move. Let's see. You're not always 100% correct in the markets. At times, it will give you false hope where you get trapped. But again, you see why this is holding this region is okay. So over 150 points fall, and we see the power of price action. This is what I was talking about. They will make you think if you see you are bearish here, you are bearish here as well. They swept all of them, took it upside, and from here again you start thinking that there were rejections. It is trying to move downside, but you have to wait till it gives a closing above this wick. Okay, so once it gave a closing above the wick, now it will see a lot of people trying to buy, but institution buyers still not entered here. They brought the price to the lower side. People who entered here might have exited in these candles, seeing that it is okay, it is an engulfing candle, this is a big candle, we should scare off the positions. So they made a profit in these candles, these two candles as well. And once it touched this pivot, it boom, then another upside candle. As I told you, the upside is expected to be continued now. The simple reason was they trapped all the seller here. The seller is trapped here, then seller is trapped here. So all the seller is trapped. They tapped into the seller as well. They gave them the false hope, post giving a closing just below this, just to instigate them or to just trigger them to have uh, more positions on the selling side. So once they created a more selling side position in these two candles, then they again feed them in single candle. And this is how the market works, as you know. It will always go zigzag manner. Okay. So, anyways, if you see the it was clearly mentioned that you'll see around 1000 points to 1000 points to what 1500 points fall from here. That's what I had spoken about, and I clearly told you guys that this is still a trap. And now you can see, if you can relate, I told you, I'll just give you the quick 944. So 944 points fall already there from the same region where I had gave you the entry. I hope you like this analysis. So this was all price action based. You are seeing continuously recurring rejection candles from this region. Earlier the reason was this, like see this one, it was not able to give a closing above this, and here we clearly told you that they have trapped all of the sellers from here. But because the seller is strong, so they clearly gave a rejection over here and then straight fall to this level. So just keep watching. Okay, so I need to go for a walk, so dropping off the session now. Thanks a lot for watching.